Hello everyone, welcome to Elegant Training Center's Learning Management System, your platform for acquiring professional skills and certification. As an Autodesk Authorized Training Center and KST approved and permitted institute, we are proud to deliver high-quality education tailored to the needs of professionals and students. This AutoCAD course is designed to take you from a beginner to an advanced level, equipping you with the skills to create, modify, and manage professional CAD drawings. This course is divided into 3 levels: 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and sheet setup with the printing techniques. My name is Rubil, and I will be your instructor throughout this learning journey. With extensive industry experience and expertise in Autodesk tools, I am here to ensure you that you will gain the confidence and practical skills that will meet professional standards. Upon completing this course, you will receive a certificate of completion from Elegant Training Center. If you require an Autodesk certification, you may apply for it separately. This course is designed to prepare you for real-world projects, ensuring you are industry-ready and confident in your abilities. Our AutoCAD course is structured into 10 comprehensive sessions, covering all 3 levels. The course begins with an introduction to the AutoCAD interface and basic to advanced 3D and sheet setup. This is the session plans which you will be learning. And here you have total 10 sessions, and each one is divided into several topics. And so here you can see it's up to the 10 sessions. So today in this session we are going to cover the session 1 topics which start from the introduction to AutoCAD and Autodesk.